Everyone, so this is another example. Okay, we're going to go through on solving simultaneous equations using the substitution method. All right, so again, what is the substitution method? We want to represent one variable in terms of another. So the first step is we write or we assign numbers to each expression, and if any of the variables has a coefficient of 1, okay, plus or minus 1, doesn't matter, then we can always use that, all right, expression and that variable, okay. But if not, then we can take either one. So in this case, x has a coefficient of 1, okay, in both equation 1 and equation 2, so we can take either one. All right, so I will take equation 1. So from 1, okay, we know that x minus 6y is equals to minus 10. So x is 6y minus 10. Okay, and I can call this equation 3. All right, and then the next step is to substitute, okay, 3 into the other equation. Again, since 3 is obtained from 1, I need to substitute 3 into 2. Okay, so in equation 2, what we have is 3y plus x is equals to minus 7. All right, so again, let me move this here so I have more space. All right, 3y plus x is equals to minus 7, and I'm going to now substitute the expression or x with the new expression given by equation 3. So 3y plus x, and x is 6y minus 10 is equals to minus 7. Okay, so 3y plus 6. So if I open up the bracket, let me do that first. Okay, so I'm just doing everything step by step so you can see it. All right, so 3y plus 6y is 9y minus 10 is equals to minus 7. So 9y, okay, is equals to, so minus 10 we bring over, will be 10 minus 7, which is equals to 3. So y is 3 over 9, which will be 1/3. Okay, and then I can substitute this value back into expression 3. So x is 6y minus 10. So 6 of y, which is 1/3 minus 10. Okay, so 6 over 3 is 2 minus 10, which will be minus 8. Okay, so the final answers for this question are x equals to minus 8 and y is equals to 1/3. All right, so I hope that it is clear, okay, how we can now use the substitution method as a way to solve simultaneous equations. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.